Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 19. Today we are entering into unit 3 part 2 strings. Coming to the syllabus, string sequence, string length, string traversal, string slicing, immutable, searching, looping and counting, string methods, inoperative, and finally string comparison. Right? These are the topics in strings concept. The first three topics we will cover today's lecture. The next three topics we will discuss in lecture 20. The next four topics are covered in lecture 21. Now coming to the today's lecture, lecture 19, right? We will discuss three topics in today's lecture. Coming to the first one, string sequence. What is mean by a string? So string is a sequence of characters, right? Your name is a string. My name is a string. One animal name, that is a string. So all these are examples for string. We can access the characters of a string by using square brackets symbol, right? So these square brackets represents the index of a string, right? Let's check one example here. So here fruit is a variable. Fruit is a variable. Banana is a string value, right? Now letter is a variable. So you are collecting one character. So fruit is a variable. So right. So here fruit is a variable. I am giving that variable here. Fruit, right? In square brackets, right? I am giving one, right? So what you will get? So print letter. So when you print the letter variable, you will get A. Why we are getting A instead of B? Here the first value is B, but you are getting A. Why? So the index values are always started with 0. So here the banana means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this. So if you get fruit of 1, you will get A. If you get fruit of 0, you will get B. If you get fruit of 2, you will get N. So like that you will get the values. Letter is fruit of 0. What is 0 here? B. So you will get B as output. Let's check these examples in Jupyter Lab. Let's check some examples for strings. Create one string str1. So str1 equal to hello world. Hello world. Right? So this is string 1. Coming to the index part. How to find characters by using index, right? Print of, I'm directly printing the values. What is the variable here? str1. So index must be in square brackets. So here index always started with 0. So for understanding I'm giving 0. Run the code, we'll get h, right? H. So next give 1 e, give 2 l, 3 l, 4 o. What is 5 here? Check this. Space. Space is also counted, right? Next, check 6. Reverse indexing is also possible in strings. That means in reverse, apply -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like that. So for understanding, give -1. So we'll get D, right? Next, -2. You will get L. So like that, reverse indexing is also possible in strings, right? That's the concept of string sequence. Now coming to the second one, string length. Len is a function, built-in function, which is used to calculate the length of the string. That means number of characters in the string. So Here fruit equal to banana. So let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 characters in the string. Now calculate length of fruit, right? So what you will get? 6. Yes, this is a small string. You will calculate. So suppose it is a big string, 2 lines, 3 lines of code, 4 lines of string. So how to calculate? It is not possible. So in this case, you need to use length of variable. So this is variable. So length of variable name, it will give the length of the variable. How to find the last character in the string? Root of 0 means B. Root of 1 means A. Like that, how to find the last character in the string? So in this example, fruit of 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fruit of 5 gives last character A, right? Because this is small string. Suppose 100 characters, 200 characters are there. So how to find the last character, right? So here, first you need to calculate the length of the fruit, right? So the length of the fruit is, so what is the length here? 6, right? So the last character is fruit of length. Fruit of length. So what is the length here? 6. Fruit of length. Fruit of length means 6. Fruit of 6. It will display an error because out of range. So what is the values here? 0 to 5. Of course you are getting 6. So here only 0 to 5 because the index values are started with 0. That's why the last character calculation is like this. Fruit of length minus 1. So you will get last character, right? So let's check these examples in Jupyter Lab. Now, how to find length? So the built-in function is len. So len is used for find the length of string. So str1. So this is the length 11. So calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? So total 11 characters including space. That's the concept of string length. Now coming to the last topic, string traversal. What is meant by traversal? So traversal means you are selecting each character and printing that each character. So that is called traversal, right? So here check this example. So same example, fruit variable, the string is banana. The length of the fruit is 6, right? So here I am using while condition. So initially the index value is 0. So index value is 0, right? Now give while statement. If index is length of fruit, so what is the length of fruit here? 6. If index is less than length of fruit, if it is true, yes, if it is true, right? So letter equal to fruit of index. So what is the letter now? Fruit of index. What is the index here? Index equal to 0. So fruit of index. So fruit of 0. So what is fruit of 0? B. So you will get B. Now index value is incremented. Now what is the index value? 1. So index value is now 1, not 0. This is also once again true. So fruit of 1 you will get A. So like that up to 6 you will get. 6 less than 6, it is false, right? So when the condition is false, the loop is terminated. Another one, by using for loop. So for char in fruit, right? So char is a another variable, char in fruit, print char. So it will print entire characters in the string. Let's check these examples in Jupyter Lab. Next, coming to traversing. So how to print each and every character by using for loop and while loop. First, coming to for loop, right? For I, or for better understanding, for letter in str1, right? Print of letter. You'll get like this. So hello world, right? Similarly, use while statement. While, first take index value. Index is equal to 0, right? So apply while index is less than length of str1, length of str1. So the index value is less than string length, right? So if the greater than string length means that is not possible. That's why the length index value must be less than string length. So what you have to print? Character equal to str of index, right? So that is the character, print of character, print of character, right? So run the code. Sorry, this is str1, right? str1. See here, it will repeat it. There is no end. Loop is continuously executing because one small statement is missed. So what is the statement? So the statement is index equal to index plus 1. We are updating the index value. First 0 initially, next 1, 2, 3, like that. So run the code. So hello world is printed. That's the concept of string traversal. That is the today's lecture. String sequence, string length, and string traversal. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.